In this video, I'll show you how to make a simple plant pot caddy. Let's get right to it. I found an old beat-up table in my neighborhood and was able to salvage a few pieces of wood. I'll start by laying them out so I can see where the best areas of each piece are. Upcycled wood makes sense for this project, as it will be under a pot and out of view. It looks like I'm going to be able to use about 1 foot of good wood from each piece. I'll measure these out and cut them to length. The saw handle is useful for marking out 90-degree angles for cutting. Remember when hand sawing to start slowly and establish a small groove before you speed the blade up. This will help keep the angle square and your cut straight. Each piece will need a little sanding to smooth over the ends. One of the boards is just shy of 1 foot due to a damaged end, so I'll cut as close as I can and then use this as the middle board underneath. I can now lay out the boards to see how they all sit together. To attach these pieces, I'll be using screws from below, so I need to reassemble the boards upside down. To avoid splitting any of the wood, I'll pre-drill the holes and countersink them using a Phillips driver bit. Now, I'll go around and put a single screw in each of the board ends. Before I secure the middle pieces, I'll just even them out and space them equally one last time. With the main structure all finished, I can move on to the wheels. I picked up these caster sets for a few bucks each at a local DIY shop. Each set comes with 2 swivel and 2 fixed wheels. For ease of movement, I'm going to use the 4 swivel wheels, so I'll separate them out and save the fixed ones for another project in the future. Since I'm using upcycled wood, I might as well reuse some old screws too. I've dug around and found just enough that are all about the same length. No need to pre-drill these holes, as the heads of each screw will be pressed up against the caster bases. Okay, let's test it out. Perfect. Well folks, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.